Hey, I'm back talking Jet today. I don't know how long is this going to be. As my bestie said that it will end like I don't know, like tomorrow. I need more research. I need more research. I need more research, but my bestie says to get water. I don't know how much this water is. Let me just check. But I need more. I need more than that. Bruh, what the heck? I need more than that. Wait, how many archives do I have again? I mean, blackout one. Yes, I've been to one blackout. Only one. Yeah. For the 4A, turn on 3. Yeah, opposite this, yes. Good ask questions. Trick it on, yeah, I would stick trick it. I might get better.
Maganda po yung pwesto natin dito guys kasi ito yung daanan po ng mga darating, no? Ito mismo yung
Hopefully don't get scaredy catness again. Hopefully don't get scared. Hopefully don't be scared again because of, you know, I usually get scared by creepypastas and I usually believe them. So every time I see like a shadow, I'll be like, lost to see, better not come here. Like every time. Like every time. Yes, like every time. Oh, Scooby Toodles!
Bloody Manao.
Hey, shut up! Shut up! I'm doing a video, so shut up! But I don't have it, thank you. Orca? Capsule? Give me that. Was it? Oh my god. Was it PC? I need to go to there. Just leave a machine over there. Oh. Yeah, I'm not up in that castle again. No, this one is the closest one to the other, so I'm gonna just leave that. Can you shut up? I'm doing a video. Please leave me alone. Why are there so many machines? Oh, Connie is here. Now this will be easy. Because Connie wasn't. Yeah, this will be easy as hell.
Tingnan natin ha, kaya review niya ang bayan natin. Yung mga original po na magpapile ng kasong kriminal laban po kay Martin Romualdez ay nasa loob po ayon dito sa mga tao ito. Narigaw kasi ito eh. peso. Ayan po si Tambot. Ayan, nasa ako na. Wala ba si Kala ko sinulbog na. Speaker lang pala.
Yes! What do you mean you're helping? You're really alone.
Yes, si Congressman Alvarez nandiyan ako.
No, nothing here. Give me this ornament. Why is everything close to the elevator? I'm so confused.
Attorney Trixie.
I gotta gamble, yes.
Attorney Trixie. Attorney Trixie, live po tayo sa BMR channel. Hindi po nagko-cover din. Andun ako sa site there. Akala ko kasama kayo papasok.
Alright, Connie. Hello, Connie. Doing this machine, so please don't do this to me.
Si Kong Alvarez, ma'am, nandun ako.
Hello, Connie.
Yes, ma'am. Sige po. Kita nyo naman, ha? Magko-cover lang din daw si Atty. Trixie pinagkaguluhan.
More gambles. I'm not going to get you water. Really, almost could you $1.
Hindi naman pipigilan. Atty. Trixie, ano po ba yung pagkakalam ninyo na ipapaili na ngayon dyan?
Connie, I can tell you over there.
Nga, bilang. Bako. Bako man.
Okay, sit out! I'm doing a video!
Where is your glasses, Palanga?
I'm doing a deal, please! Leave me alone! I'm doing a video, let me do! I bet I can barely find any more tapes, so
Wala ka sa sumama, ha?
yes or no? Hello, Daddy. Let's see what I can get. Speak in the yes or thanks. That's all I needed. Thanks, Daddy. Oh, I had my return is full. Bye. I am begging that Glister is not here. And please, please, please. Thank you. Oh my god, not Louie. Why is Louie here? This one is the closest one to the machine, aka the elevator man. Tape. Give me the tape. So I can buy Fun Daddy again. Capsule? Oh, yo, Cardias Louis mentioned once again. If you want to say why again, because me and my bestie experienced that. Hello, Connie.
This is one of the biggest budgets in history also. So let's not really say
Connie. What the hell?
to work out a way para mapuno yung mga budgets ng mga agencies na kinulang
What the?
according to him. So how do you do that? So ang laki-laki
We now have to wait for us to leave.
sa ayuda. Baka-okay na nga daw, di ba, ang PhilHealth. Ang daming mga agencies that have been offered only the care.
Thank you for leaving.
Alam niyo natin yun. So, malaki pa rin yung budget. Saan nagpupunta po yung balance? On the
What is this still my machine? I was using that.
hand view ng executive, how the money is being spent, how the money is being
Bye bye, Louis. Sorry na ako. Wala.
Mga nagbibigay ng malaking budget sa ahensya pero hindi pala. Iumano ng ilang mga kamera sa Laguna. So these things have to be investigated. So aside from the three cases, the Supreme Court, ito na nga, yung case ng Citizens Crime Watch, tapos, yan, diba? Dalawa pang mga cases. So yung mga yan, we see na
Tony, I need to get that machine. Please don't go there, please. Thank you.
no matter what. Plus, i-add niya na dun po yung actions ng Congress with regard to the people, yung mga requirements, yung kaso namin. Yung impression na taong bayan sa act ng mga kongresista at ng executive ay masyado ng larapal. So, we expect more cases to be in the coming days. Kitang-kita na masyado na they don't even care how they look anymore. So, kaya nandito ko, gusto ko makita and also explain the way that you have been covering. I-add na rin natin yung boses namin dito sa pinaglalaman ng mga non-file. Because we can no longer be quiet. Ang pagsasalita at yung ginagawa ninyo po, yung pagpapalala ay mahalaga para sa balanse sa lipunan natin. Mahalaga para may check sa ating gobyerno. So, I understand gusto na gusto ko yung mga nasa gobyerno yung ginagawa natin, which explains yung mga congressional investigation. Pero yun po yung nature talaga ng speech. So, I'm very happy to be here. On your side, today, although, yun nga, eventually, kasi dun sa Supreme Court kami yung
Thank you, Louis not coming. Thank you, Louis.
Yung attorney, reaction na lang po. Kasi po, ang original po pala nito ay sa Artist Prosecutor's Office ng Quezon City. Bakit po nalipat po yata dito ang binyo? May ano ba kayo doon?
The reason it's here is because of sila po ay government officials may certain salary grade exclusive ang jurisdiction talaga ng ombudsman, lalo-lalo na in cases of graft and corruption. So talaga dito sa ombudsman ang jurisdiction niya. Posibleng yung bribery doon sa Quezon City Prosecutor's Office. Pero yung violation ng RA 1319 will be exclusive to the ombudsman.
Ayun yun, maraming salamat po liwanag na yan. Attorney, update po doon sa Supreme Court na sinampay nyo.
Hinihintay ko po natin. We don't really expect naman na mabilis kasi malaki ang docket ng Supreme Court, di ba?
Ibig sabihin, kahit nagsampa kayo, pwede pa rin kayong may patawag sa Kongreso.
Yes, of course. Walang PRO. So without the PRO, pwede na kami matawag. But that doesn't change our stand that yung pagpapatawag ay hindi po naaayon sa saligang batas.
Hindi nyo pa rin sisiputin.
We will have to see. Wala pa naman pong patawag. Ang gagawin namin ay
Ano pong mangyayari doon sa show cause order para sa inyo, attorney?
i-explain lang namin.
Maraming salamat, attorney. Maraming salamat, attorney. Si attorney Tracy Cruz ng Gilis.
Thank you, give it more tape.
Kaya pala hindi kayo tumakbo sila to. Sayang naman.
Kahit paano, kailangan mo pa rin ng makinarya, kailangan mo pa rin ng pera. Tingnan niyo yung mga tumatakbo. Di ba?
Para mas masaya kayo ngayon na sumusuporta na lang.
Hindi na lang kasi ang suporta.
Tama.
Halimbawa, pag sinusuportahan natin si Kukulay o si dating Pangulong Duterte, ano yun expression yun, pagkasalamat yun, lalo na sa dating Pangulong. Ang dami niyang nagawa para sa atin, ano pa naman yung pagtanggol natin kung sa yung mga makatarungan na paratang sa kanya.
Gosh.
Naman natin, tuloy-tuloy lang talaga ang trabaho niya. Ito na nga yung impeachment na tuloy pa rin ang trabaho sa kayo nakakita ng gano'n. So, ang feeling ko, kailangan ko talaga supportahan yung mga nakita natin yung justice sa bayan. That's the least we can do for them. Ang dami nakatingin sa'yo. Ang dami hindi mo pwedeng gawin.
I'm just electric education to black out.
So, kailangan minsan strategy. Sa gitna
Oh, that was the closest one to the elevator cell. I'm still alive. Oh, Tessa's here. Nothing here. Tessa. Thank gosh, I went the elevator so I could clean. Oh man. Tessa, speak, Candy. Tessa, what? Thank gosh, he moved. So I'm gonna get this. I don't know why I picked this up. The rest of the machine. Oh look, it's Boston. Not gonna have an idea. Yeah, I made the whole tree. Grace low as hell now. I didn't encounter a friend yet, so that's great.
Yes.
I'm fine now. Pee-wee, tisa, kaya tisa, tisa, baby.
Kami na unang nag-ano nun, yung bilog na nakita namin yung ito maliit nun. Yung ano wala pang naniniwala.
How come haven't encountered Finn yet, bruh?
Wala na siya sasabihin. Narinig na natin yan. Thank you.
Why am I so slow, bruh? Flo-
Ubus na yun. Ubus na, Diyos.
Nope.
Ana.
Chocolate now. Give me that. Thanks, Daddy! Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I got like. Please don't make me go fast again. Oh, this Logan? Oh. We'll just stick this here. Brothers kill me, Woody.
Thank you, Attorney. Wala na talaga. Wala nang masasabi si Attorney niyan. Uuwi na si Attorney niyan tuloy.
That's a lot of ornaments.
Nanonood si Daplorin. Attorney, shout out mo lang si Daplorin. Nanonood siya dito.
Water.
Hindi ko,
I would want to do this. Fine, I guess.
Drink pineapple, you drink water.
Opo. Napadaan na po namin.
Okay, anyway. Well. That's up on my. Oh yeah, thank you. Okay.
Pinakabigating vlogger. Eh, ako naman eh, maliit na vlogger. Isama niyo rin ako.
There's a baby. Yep, simple. Yep, I cut. God damn my resets. Yep. I want ginger so bad here, but first with the spice. What's this? I need more than that. I could totally buy you, but no. 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 Oh, 4 more tunes. I can barely find you.
Ito na po guys yung update, no? Yung update ngayon sa loob, ayan na po.
No, what the? Complete 3 mysteries quest on scrap. What the? I have to complete all of this. Damn. Them all of them are 3 down. No thanks, man, no thanks.
Nakikita niyo ba?
Yo, so I got Tessa, yes or no? You guys decide, so I got her or not.
Hindi yung
My friend said this. Yeah! Okay,
ito po ang mga nakasulat dito sa kanilang mga
let's see what this trick I can do.
cards, no?
Yep, yep.
Disqualified, Lakas candidate Martin Romualdez and AKB candidate Saldico. Ako Bicol.
Well, again, new thing, yes.
As of now, as of the moment, mga kabayan, ito na po yung update, no? Ito na po ang update. Ang ganap ngayon doon sa loob
Yeah,
po
just start over again.
ng ombudsman. Ayan
Yeah,
po,
just start.
si Congressman Alvarez. Nakikita niyo ba guys?
Whoops.
Kapapasok lang po nito.
Nope.
Ito na po ang update ngayon.
This is for the wait. Let me just end.
Shape of progress.
Where do I end?
10,367 live viewers. Like and share.
What is going on here?
Like and share. Nakikita
Okay, but edit right here.
Sa harapan po nitong ombudsman.
What the hell?
Sabi po tayo rito sa paglabas po ng nag-file nga po dito ng
Anyway,
dito po laban kay
Bye, guys.
Romualdez, no? So narinig po natin ay
bye. Have a great day today. Bye, 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 Bye.
Palabas, mga kababayan.
bye, y'all. Okay.
Parating na lang po. Kung sino po yung